Happy 79th and Independence Day to all Pakistanis around the world. Today marks the 79th anniversary of Pakistan, and I wish all Pakistanis around the world Happy Independence Day. And here is my SMR kit with the bumper on the car after it was fully glassed yesterday. The first layer of fiberglass went on it, and you guys can see everything was done with one large sheet of fiberglass weave cloth, 4-ounce cloth, and it turned out really good. It's all cured at this time. Is it perfect? No, it's not. Why? Because there are a couple of air bubbles right there. There's one there, and I believe there's another one right there. Small little guys, and maybe there's one around here somewhere. So yeah, just couple of air bubbles, but considering the magnitude of this layup with one complete sheet, this is really good. And it hasn't ended yet. There will be more layers put on it, and there will be more body work to be done, sanding, filling, all that kind of stuff. But I'm giving you a preview of how the car is now for the first time with its bumper fully skinned. This is how I have dressed the car today for the Independence Day celebrations. Come a long way. This is a huge milestone today, and tomorrow will be the 1-year anniversary since I bought the car on 15th of August 2025. As you guys can see, the scanner is right there. It's all coming together. Turbo casts, PMD seats from 1982. These seats were restored, and the color was changed from charcoal gray to tan, like a dark camel tan. These came out really good. So yeah, once again, I wish all Pakistanis around the world Happy Independence Day, the ones who are celebrating. And this celebration is for the independence from India, that we got our homeland, our own country, our own land, and it's a huge thing. Here I'm not talking about all the political issues that are going on currently, the generals who have literally hijacked the whole country, and they're the one who causing all the mayhem, all the bloodshed, everything that's going on. We're not talking about that. We are just celebrating the independence of Pakistan today. So there you go, guys. SMR kit is coming.